Hi everyone, welcome back to Three Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany and today I am in our bedroom getting some much needed cleaning done. I have neglected this space all week, so today I'm going to be getting some clothes folded, washing our bedding, and just changing out a few of the pillows in here as we're switching out the seasons. Now I am going to also be sharing with you all another meal idea for your vegetarian or pescatarian journey, so make sure you watch all the way to the end for that. If you're in need of some cleaning motivation, don't worry, I've got you covered. Go ahead and get that music turned up and let's get this thing started. So let's talk a little bit about this space. I have been itching to get into our bedroom and just give it a full-on makeover. This paint color I was never really a fan of, and I've really grown weary of it after 6 years. So I really just want to update the paint. I also want to get new bedroom furniture in here. This bedroom furniture was a hand-me-down and we are so grateful for it, and it is beautiful, but it's not really reflective of our style. And if I were to zoom in close, you'll see that the handles on the dressers are falling off, the drawers are just hanging out, everything is beat up pretty badly at this point. However, this is just not on my to-do list in the near future. It's probably something that I might work on next year. Again, I really just want to take my time and just make sure that when we do update it, it'll be something that we both love, that we both agree on. And y'all, at the end of the day, it's still a bedroom. It's a place to be able to rest your head in. And as long as it's clean, that's all that matters.
Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting
Just checking in with you all. If you've made it this far, how is your cleaning coming along? I am getting our bedroom clean slowly but surely. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiffany. I just want to say welcome to you all. On this channel, I do home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization, and you are going to get a lot more lifestyle coming from me this year. My husband and I, we share 3 young children and a dog, so we like to keep our space beautiful, but we also like to make sure that it's simple, lived in, and enjoyable. So with us having 3 children, we want to be able to show a little bit more of how we maintain everything, our routine from day to day, our weekly routine, how we are able to just manage everything. And so that's why I'm so excited to be sharing a lot more of that type of content with you all this year, just giving you all a little bit more of a personal look into our life, but not too much, just a little bit. So if you're enjoying what you see so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit the like button as well. It really helps my channel out a lot. And for those of you who are coming back to visit me again, I hope that everyone has been well. I took a little bit of a break just to kind of collect my thoughts and get everything together, but I am back ready to bring more content, and it is a lovely warm day, and I am so excited that spring is right around the corner. Y'all know I do not do cold weather at all.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goal. He never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
There is nothing like fresh, clean bedding. Like, it smells good, it feels good. Like, when you go to sleep at night, you just want to snuggle in it. We try to make sure that we wash our bedding once a week, no longer than once every 2 weeks. Let me know in the comments below how often you go in between washing the bedding. Listen, no judgment here, you all. We get to it when we get to it. So y'all know that you can make any bedroom look good as long as you got your bed looking right with the layering. So I'm just starting with my standard mattress pad. I've got my fitted sheet and my flat sheet, and then I'm just adding in a light oversized quilt, which is all we need. We really don't like to use a very heavy comforter on the bed. And then just for layering, I'm going to add in another blanket because y'all, my extremities get very cold at night. I am known for having ice cold feet and hands. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. And then to switch it up a little bit for the season, I'm just going to change out our pillow covers on our bed. So I keep the same pillow inserts, and then we just order pillow covers off of like Amazon or Etsy or somewhere. It's much more cost and space effective because you don't have a bunch of pillows just sitting around taking up space when they're not in use.
Can't give up, no. We can get through this. I know it's hard. We gotta try and trust that God will heal again. God heal again. God heal again. Heal again. The greatest commandments to love our God. The second one is to love our neighbor. Somebody please tell me where we went wrong. We gotta get back to the heart of a savior. Feeling like we lost our direction. Feeling like we living but lost our perspective. How we gonna claim that we living for the heart of God when in reality we disconnected? No reflection of his intentions. He loved us first, can't forget it, so we can't be selective. One falls down, we all affected, cause we all connected, yeah. We can't give up, no. We can get through this. I know it's hard. We gotta try and trust that God will heal again. God heal again. God heal again. Heal again. Heal again.
If you've been with me for a while, then you've heard me share that we are on a pescatarian diet at the moment. We've been on this diet for about 6 months. Well, I've been on the diet for about 6 months now, and everybody else just kind of jumps in here and there. So it has been wonderful just trying to find all sorts of meals that our family can enjoy. So this Caprese sandwich is something that is highly requested. Our whole family enjoys it. Even the kids ask for it, which says a lot in itself. So with it, I start by just spreading basil pesto onto some bread. You can use like sourdough. In our case, I just use regular honey wheat bread, and then I add arugula, some Roma tomatoes, avocado, jalapeno. I drizzle it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and oregano, and then top it off with mozzarella and provolone cheese. For added flavor, I do go ahead and melt some butter in a skillet and toast this bad boy just like a grilled cheese sandwich, and it is oh so delicious. But that is going to be everything for today's video, you all. I hope that you all enjoyed and were able to get some cleaning motivation. If you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you like it. And if you want to see more pescatarian, vegetarian meals in the future, also let me know in the comments and I'll share more of those with you. Thank you so much for watching with me. I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful week. Be blessed.